Hello everyone, it's August 2020 and I bought a new mulching blade set which made me curious after taking a good look at it. I don't like the way the back of the mulching area is. This is probably okay for grass, but I was curious to see if there would be any difference in my deck vibration and engine speed if I sharpened them. So I'll get the grinder out and grind away the back edge between the slots to make it more like a knife, just like the main cutting edge. Here's how the blades came as new and before grinding. Here's how they look now after grinding. This should make it easier to cut and mulch through tall grass. I don't have any test rig to check the forces involved, so all I can do is install them on my mower and pay attention to the deck vibration, engine speed, maybe look at the quality and the edge of the grass clippings. Subscribe and check back with me in the spring for an update.